Hey all, welcome all in the second part of JEE Main 2nd September 2020 Shift 1 paper solution. Last session we had completed around 9 or 10 sums, I don't know exactly. And today we're going to continue with this paper solution. So just be careful about this, okay? And let us start with the today's session. So the first question of this session is from binomial distribution. We have given that for alpha greater than 0 and beta greater than 0, they are following the condition that alpha cube plus beta square equals to 4 if the maximum value of the term independent of x in the binomial expansion is 10k. Then k is equals to dash. So we have two conditions. First, the equation which is given, and the second is the condition of an independent term. So our first aim is to find out an independent term from this expansion. So I can say that A equals alpha x raised to minus 1 by 9 and B equals beta x raised to minus 1 by 6. And also we have n equals 10. So let me write down the general term. So it will be 10 CR A raised to 10 minus R and B raised to R. So let me bring all the terms with x together. So alpha raised to 10 minus R, beta raised to R into x to the power minus 10 minus R or minus 10 plus R by 9 into x to the power minus R by 6. Now for independent term, compulsory the power of x must be 0. So what I can say that minus 10 plus 9, sorry, 10 plus R by 9 and minus R by 6 is equals to 0. So let us obtain this. So minus 60 plus 6R minus 9R equals to 0. So it will be 60 equals 3R, hence we'll get R as 20, right? So now let me put this value into this equation and just a minute. Okay, actually guys, it's a plus sign. I made a mistake. Here it is plus 1 by 9. So it is plus 1 by 9. So here it will be 10 minus R upon 9. So here it will be 10 minus R. So we'll get 60 minus 6R. So here it will be 15. So we'll get R as 4 only. Sorry. Right? And now let me put this value over here. So therefore, constant term will be, it will be 10C4 alpha raised to 6 into beta raised to 4, right? Into equals to 10K. That is what we have, right? 10K. So it will be 10, 9, 8, 7 by 4, 3, 2, 1. Alpha raised to 6 into beta raised to 4 equals 10K. So if we cancel all this, so 4 to 8, 3, 3, 9. So it will be 210. Alpha raised to 6, beta raised to 4 equals 10K. Hence K will be 21 alpha raised to 6, beta raised to 4. This is what we have. Okay. So now we have an equation, right? 21 alpha raised to 6, beta raised to 4. Now, if you want the maximum value, see, it is given that maximum value of the term, right? So just check. Now the value of this is my constant term, right? So this term has all dependency on alpha raised to 6 plus beta raised to 4. And also we have a condition that alpha cube plus beta square equals to 4. So now from this alpha cube and beta square, we need to obtain a relation. So let me check that for two values, for alpha cube and beta square, can I say that its arithmetic mean is always greater than or equals to geometric mean? So alpha cube plus beta square by 4 is greater than or equals to alpha cube beta square raised to half. So now it will be, sorry, by 2 it is. So alpha cube beta square 4 by 2 greater than or equals to alpha cube beta square raised to 1 by 2. So 2 greater than or equals to alpha cube beta square raised to half. So I can say that alpha cube beta square will be less than or equals to 4. Now just check what you want. You want alpha raised to 6 beta raised to 4. So what I need to do? I need to take square on both the side. Less than or equals to 16. So I will get alpha raised to 6 beta raised to 4 less than or equals to 16. So what we can say that what should be the maximum value? So maximum value will be 16, everyone, right? And for this particular value, this will be also maximum. So therefore, K will be what? 21 into 16, right? So it has answer 6, 3, 3. So the final answer will be 3, 3, 6, right? So D is the answer. So this is how we can get the answer of a question having the combination of binomial as well as sequence and series, right? So this is an important part because they have mentioned that we want only maximum value, and maximum value is only possible at 16. Okay, so this part is very important and very rarely used part. Okay, so we have to be careful about this. Otherwise, rest of the question is quite easy. Now in next question, it belongs to statistics. See, X is a numbers including 1 to 17 and Y is a number which is obtained by multiplying all the terms with A and add with B in them. Okay, so let me say that if I have X as 1, 2, 3, 4 dot up to 17, so Y would be A plus B, then twice A plus B, then 3A plus B. Hope you all understanding this, right? Same way 17A plus B. These are the observations of Y, right? Belongs to the Y information, and first 1 to 17 are the observations from X. Now, if mean and variance of the elements of Y are 17 and 216, that means Y bar is equals to 17 given to you, and sigma Y variance is given to you 216. Okay, so you have to find out A and B. Now, I know that mean of X, let me find out. Mean of X, that is X bar will be 17 plus 1 by 2. Now it's a common definition, sorry, common rule. Let me write down those two rules first of all for you. That mean of n consecutive terms is equals to n plus 1 by 2, and variance of n consecutive terms, mainly the natural terms, is equals to n square minus 1 by 12. So this two property we're going to use here. Okay, so you need to keep these two rules in your mind, which will consume your less time. Okay, so mean of X bar will be what? So X bar will be 17 plus 1 by 2. So X bar will be 18 by 2, that is 9. Also variance of X will be what? N square minus 1 by 12, that is 289 minus 1 by 12. So 288 by 12, and the sigma of X will be 2 and 4, 24. Right? Now we know the property that if the observations, n observations are there, and if you multiply with some particular number, and add another number, then mean will be affected by all the operations, whereas variance is only affected by the multiplication. So if the variance of the terms of X observations is 24, right? So now here sigma y has condition what? That a square into 24. This is the condition compulsory. Just a minute, huh? Everyone, just try to understand this properly. If you have n observations having mean x bar, and if you multiply all these observations with any constant a, and when you add any another number b, then this new information has mean y bar equals ax bar plus b, whereas the variance of this new observation will be only multiplied with the a square. Okay, that means variance is only affected by either multiplication or division into sigma of x. Okay, so from this we can get the equation of value of a, right? So what is sigma y we have given? We have given 216. So therefore a square will be 216 by 24. So it will be 9. So a will be plus or minus 3, right? But okay, chalo. So a will have as 3. Now I have to find out b. So for that, also y bar will be ax bar plus b. Now what is mean given to us? Mean of these observations of information y is given as 17. 17 equals 9a plus b. 17 equals 9a plus b. Here, first case, if a equals 3, then 17 equals 27 plus b. So we'll get b as minus 20. And therefore, we have a plus b equals minus 17. This is the first answer. Number 2, if you have a equals minus 3, then 17 equals minus 27 plus b. So b will be 17 and 27, that is 44, right? So therefore a plus b will be 41. So we have two options, either 20 minus 17 or 41. But according to the option, the possible answer is minus. Here it will be 10. Sorry again. Actually, so here it will be minus 7. Right? And according to the option, this minus 7 is the answer. Right, everyone? So C is the answer. Okay? So moving with the next. Now this is from the differential equation. Right? You have to find out the solution. Now to find out the solution of a differential equation, we have three methods. Variable separable, homogeneous and linear differential. But as you can see, this is the pure case of variable separable method, right? Because we have 2 plus sine x upon y plus 1 dy by dx is equals to minus cos x. So what I will do, it's dy by y plus 1 equals to minus cos x by 2 plus sine x dx, right? Let me take the integration on both the side, because we have log of mod y plus 1 equals minus log of mod 2 plus sine x, and let me make it the variable, sorry, constant as log modulus of c. So as I can take these two terms together, 2 plus sine x is equals to log mod c. Hence we have y plus 1 into 2 plus sine x is equals to c, right? This will be the particular solution, sorry, general solution. Now two conditions we have. Y of 0 equals to 1. So here, for x equals 0, we have y equals 1. So 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 equals c. Hence we have c equals 4. Right? So therefore we can say that y plus 1 into 2 plus sine x is equals to 4. This will be the particular solution. Now this particular solution is have condition that y of pi equals 1 a, and at dy by dx at x equals pi is b. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to put now at x equals pi, y has answer b. So b plus 1, 2 plus sine x or sine pi equals to 4. We know that sine pi has 0. So b plus 1 into 2 into 4. So b plus 1 equals 2. Hence b equals 1. This is the first answer. Sorry. Y of pi equals to a. Sorry. So here it will be a. Right? So we got a. So this is the value of a equals 1. And now we need to take its derivative. So let me take dy by dx. So because the condition is at dy by dx for x equals pi, dy by dx is answer b. Okay. So when you do dy by dx, see, so now if you do the direct derivative of this particular case, you will get y in the picture. And if you don't want to get y in the picture, so what I will do, I need to make only the subject y in terms of y, sorry. That means I will say it is like 2 plus sine x, and therefore y equals 4 by 2 plus sine x minus 1. And now if I'll do dy by dx, so the derivative will be 2 plus sine x whole square, 4 as it is cos x and 0. And this dy by dx as answer b for x equals pi. So 4 into cos pi upon 2 plus sine pi whole square. So cos pi has answer minus 1, sine pi 0, 2 square 4, 4 cancel. So b has answer minus 1. So now we have b, we have a. So what you want to find out? You want to find out pair AB. Right? So therefore, AB will be 1 and minus 1. So this is your answer. That is option number C, 1 and minus 1. Okay. So it looks lengthy, but it is easy. Okay. Once you know the direct method of solution of differential equation. So moving with the next one. Chalo. Now in this question, it looks that it is a sum of infinite terms. Right? Now, if you remember, we have only one condition, one theory having infinite solutions, that is for GP only. We don't have any other theories related with the sum of infinite terms, right? So somehow we need to convert this in form of an GP, infinite GP. So how do you convert it? Because if you just observe the given terms, they are not in GP. So we have to convert them in terms of GP. And to convert them in GP, what I will do, I will divide and multiply with x minus y. So x minus y into x plus y, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, plus x minus y into x cube plus x square y, plus xy square plus y cube, right? Up to so on. So now if you just observe, this will become an equation of x square minus y square. This will become an equation of x cube minus y cube. Same way, it will be an equation of x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 up to infinite. See, hope you understand this, because we have a general equation that x to the power n minus y to the power n has answer x minus y. Now, if I need to write down the next bracket, so in that the power of x is gradually decreasing from n minus 1 to 0, and consecutively power of y will be increasing from 0 to n minus 1. So it will be like this: n minus 2y plus n minus 3y square, so on up to the final answer will be y raised to n minus 1. So this is the general equation, right? So I just try to use that equation in this case. And now just check, by applying this property, we get the GP, right? So you can just get all the terms with x together and all the terms with y together, right? So if I'll take all the terms of x power together, so x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x raised to 4 dot and minus y square plus y cube plus y raised to 4 plus dot, and we have already x minus y in the division. So this will become an infinite GP, right everyone? With first term x square upon 1 minus common ratio x, right? Same way here it will be y square upon 1 minus y and whole divided by x minus y. So I can say that x square into 1 minus y square into 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, 1 minus y, and x minus y. And now to make equal with the options, we have to give the expansion here. So x square minus x square y minus y square plus xy square divided by 1 minus x, 1 minus y, and x minus y. So what I will do, I will just make factors from this. So it is x minus y, x plus y, and from the rest of the two terms, if I take minus xy common, so it will be again x minus y, whole divided by 1 minus x, 1 minus y, x minus 1, right? So x minus y cancel. So x plus y minus xy upon 1 minus x into 1 minus y. This is what we have as S infinite, right? This is also an important kind of questions from chapter number 7. So if you just observe, we got two questions, right? Which require the concept of sequence and series.